You know, the worst thing in the winter around Christmas time is to break up. And that's why I decided to do this video. Like, you don't want to be broke up around the holidays.
Yeah, you're at your coldest, right?
Yeah, it's just not fun.
It's sad if you break up in the holidays.
This song is about that. Her basically saying, you know, I'm leaving. You know, he's like, come on, don't leave. Swallow your pride, you know, give me one more chance. And I just was like, you know what, the worst time to break up is in the winter time when it's snowing outside and Christmas is about to come and you're thinking everything's gonna be great and then you have a breakup. It's the worst.
It's nagging your
It's the
heart.
worst.
You ever had that? You broken up during the winter
I think
time?
I think I have had like problems around Christmas time, you know what I mean? Where you're just like, oh, this is horrible, this is the worst Christmas ever. And I just wanted to capture that in this video.
So how many times did LL lick his lips during the shooting of the video?
A lot, and I enjoyed it every single time.
Every licking?
Every licking was fine for me.
Okay. What was he like to work with?
He was great. Sitting down and working with him, you said to yourself, why has this artist been around so long? Why is he so respected? Why has he had so many years and endured for so long? And you know right away, because they're professional, they're talented, they have no ego. They just love what they do, and they're happy that they can do it every single day. And there's special artists like that, and he's one of those people. This is good when we got to fight in the video. It was fun.
Well, both you guys are acting a lot.
That's what made it good. It was like, we know we could do this video. After this, we were like, we should do a movie together.
You're an actress, and you're so dramatic in your videos, man.
I do bring my acting into my videos.
Yeah, it's like you
I'm a performer.
Okay. Does one help the other? The video acting help?
Absolutely. Because I'm an actress, I'm able to bring a lot more to my videos. I like being dramatic. I like bringing it all to life in a crazy, kind of over-the-top way, and letting people feel the joy or the pain or the sadness. The director was like, she's really crying over there.
You're trying to get an Oscar for the videos, right?
I'm not trying to get an Oscar for it, but I know that people will feel it more if I really commit to it. Walking down the street, heartbroken, carrying my teddy bear and my coffee pot, and that I would really be crying. And so, you know, the actress in me, I'm able to do that. I think it's probably the part of the video that makes the whole video work. It's that last shot of me with the red nose, really, really crying in the street, taking that last breath like, I'm gonna be all right. You know what I mean? I'm gonna be all right.
That moment like this actually happened.
You know what I mean? And I think people really felt that video for that reason. They also felt like, oh, I feel her. You know, I've been there. I know that. You know, so it matters. I think the acting in the videos just makes them better.